Build time. We got the wood. Let's get the building. Okay, there's a big jag of wood here. I couldn't even imagine what that would cost in the store, but us, it's free, just our time. Let's go get set up. This is going to be our little build site here. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, because it's going to be like probably a couple of parts to get it done, but this is the build site. We've got some rocks for the footings. We got all kinds of cedar we milled up. And lucky for us here, we're going to be using this Blue Eddy to power all our power tools. It's going to be awesome. So let's start here. We're going to get the footings all set up. All right, guys. We're going to make our little build, 8x8. This is my little helper here, Mimi. Here I am. She's going to help us. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to square this off. We're going to cut a notch. We're going to do 4 all sides. And we got our wood, our stones set up, our footings. So we're going to start with that. I'm going to turn this thing. So this is going to be our layout here. I'm going to cut a notch out of this end, a notch out of this end, and the other one's going to sit on top this way. So I'll get to cutting. Turn it over. Yeah, put it flat. Yep. There's the base of our structure right there. You guys don't know what it is yet. We'll figure it out. It's coming. It'll be part one. It'll probably be a part two, maybe a part three. I don't know. We'll see how much we get done. But that's the basic structure. Now we're going to get a couple joists and get the floor on. Definitely not too late. Hold on. And here we're just putting in some screws. Just fast forwarding this part because it's a little bit repetitive. We're just screwing it all together. I think we have 4-inch screws. And my little helper is helping me out. We're doing great. So I'll give you a little look what this Blue Eddy can do. We're hooked up to the solar right now. I'm just going to cut this off. Show you how much amperage it takes, this saw. I don't know what you've seen, but we had like 400 watts of input power. Show you again. It charges it right up to 100% in no time. So this whole build is going to be off the solar power with the Blue Eddy. Show you again. We can even run the table saw if we want at the same time. See that? We can turn the table saw on. I'll show you. Here's table saw. Handle the power no problem. We had 400 watts coming in, so we're good. We'll charge it right back. See, fully charged again. Awesome. We're using the Apex 300 to do the whole build here. Okay, let's get back up. So, we got all the joists up. We got 3 joists. Now we're going to lay some nice 3/4 inch plywood on top and make the floor, and then we'll start the walls. All right, so next step. Luckily we have our 4x8 sheets of plywood, and we're going to nail them down. We're going to start there, and then we'll just nail them out. We'll chalk line the middle so we know where we are. for a little half wall. Get back at it. All right, next day. This is what we got done the first day. We got the floor down, the joist, the plate. We got the 4 posts on the corner. Now we're gonna start with, hold on, let me turn it around. So I think what I'm gonna do for the center is I'm gonna cut me another, got a 6x6 with the peak for the roof. And then we might put 2x6 across the top and do a peak on the back. And we'll start the lower half walls. It's gonna be half walls. You guys getting the idea yet? You will. Keep following. You can see right there we got 425 watts coming in from our solar panels right here. We got 2 solar panels set up. All right, you guys can see what I did here. I notched this out to accommodate this 2x6. And it's gonna go flush here. That's gonna go over there. I might put another 2x6 to sister it inside to hold the upright for the roof. And I got my roof figured out. We're at 28 degrees there. I gotta do a little, I don't know what to call that, a bird's mouth or whatever cut here. And then we'll do the same on the other side. And then we'll put 1 beam across it for the ridge. And then we'll start putting our joists on top. Or we'll do the wall on the inside, we'll see. Just trying to give you guys a little little things I do. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it's just how I build things. Just keep cutting them, and then they're easy to knock out after. Right, this is where we are. That's going to be the peak of the roof. This is going to be our center post. We got that one over there. And don't forget, this is going to have a half wall all the way around here. Half wall. Screen all the way around. Probably know what it is now. So now we're at the point where we're going to cut. We're going to cut our little bird's mouth here for the joist to rest on the other side there. And it's going to go up to the peak. Okay, here's going to be our first rafter. We got our, I don't know, bird's mouth, I think they call it. So we just copy that all the way down. Same on that side. And yeah, we'll go at it. But I think that's going to be it for this part of this, part 1. Should be a part 2. Maybe a part 3, but hopefully just a part 2. Hey guys, like and subscribe.